arrive in style with this Jeep 2020 Grand Cherokee Altitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black suede seats with black stitching, bright white clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, STD, trailer tow group 4 included, rear load leveling suspension, normal duty suspension, full-size spare tire, steel spare wheel, 180 amp alternator, 7 and 4-pin wiring harness, heavy duty engine cooling, class 4 receiver hitch, normal duty suspension, full-size spare tire included, steel spare wheel, quick order package 2BZ Altitude included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, 1-year Sirius XM radio service.